Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to perform sa'i to walking between Safa and Marwah using a simple visual method. We begin our first round from Safa, facing the Qibla and making dua before starting. Now following the blue lines to walk, we walk Safa to Marwah. This completes the first round. Then we turn from Marwa to Safa using the orange line. While is the second round. Let's continue. Blue line again, third round. Orange line again, fourth round. Blue line, fifth line. Orange, sixth line. And finally, from Safa to Marwa again. This is the seventh and final round. During Sa'i, there is a section between the hills marked with green lights. This area is called Milayn Akhdarayn. In this area, men are required to jog or run lightly following the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. Women, however, should continue walking at their normal pace and should not run. After completing all 7 rounds, men must either shave their heads halq or trim their hair qasr. Women should gather their hair and cut a fingertip's length from the end.